Lindos again. Couldn't talk on the boat as it was jam-packed full of people. It took around 2.5 hours to get here and I'm already lost. This is the 3rd time I've been to Lindos. It is busy, it is super hot. I want to go to St. Paul's Bay. I'll pop all links to all the trips that I do down below in my description, but it was a half price tours, I think they're called. So pretty. I do remember coming here actually with Oliver and taking some photos. We stop off in Lindos for 3 hours and then we stop off on a few bays for a few swims, for a swim afterwards. So I'm going to head towards a cafe, I think. I need a drink. St. Paul's Bay is absolutely beautiful. It is so pretty. Definitely recommend going. I just haven't got enough time to go down there, go for a swim and then come back up again, or else I would definitely. Managed to take some photos, which is really nice, overlooking the bay. I found some public toilets in Lindos and it was €1. They're quite big and they're changing rooms as well, so I put my swimsuit on quickly. There was a bit of a queue and I'm walking down to the beach now, although I'm going in a different direction to what I'm used to, and this is not the type of path I really like either. Oh my god, look. Okay, the water's literally there. I'm going to brave it, so you're coming with me just so that I have something to distract me. I'm going to walk this as fast as I can. I should have gone with those people that were there in front of me. I can see the sea. Anyone watching me now will think, what's that bloody nutter doing running? But no, I'm squinting my eyes. I don't want to say what I'm scared of until I get down to the bottom, and then I'll tell you. Okay, feeling a bit better. Phew, there's a cafe. Okay, alright. Snakes. Just snakes. I've reached it. That didn't take 12 minutes. I don't know how deep it is in here. We're in Tsambika Beach. It is so nice. My first time. See, there's loads of people here. But yeah, I don't know how deep it is to have booked these. come back from the boat trip. I've had a quick shower, my hair is still really wet, and I'm gonna head now to 10-minute walk up the road to a cave that I went to last year. It's Archangel Panormitis, I think that's the name. The sun is setting. It's going to be absolutely stunning. The cave is facing where the sun is setting, so hopefully it'll be really, really nice. So yeah, I've got to go. So pretty. I should get to the cave in about 6 minutes. Hopefully before the sun goes down. Plan was for me to go and have my meal here in the hotel, and then afterwards then come up, grab my bag and my wallet, and then head over to Rhodes Beach bar and have a cocktail. I came up here and I fell asleep. I've just been asleep for about an hour. So I might as well just get ready for bed now. It's probably about 11 o'clock, something like that. I can't be arsed now to go out.